Welcome to Life at Hacks. In this video, I am going to show you 3 ways to stop your Android phone from sharing your phone number. Number 1, turn off phone number sharing. This is located under settings. Number 2, turn off save and fill addresses. This is located under browser. Number 3, use permission manager to allow or deny contact access. I will explain how to do these settings in details. Let's dive in. First thing I am going to show you is how to turn off phone number sharing. Is under settings. Go to settings. Go to Google services. Tap all services. Scroll it down, tap phone number sharing. What does that mean? Is allow Google to show you a screen that lets you choose a phone number to share when a third-party app requests your phone number. So we don't need that one. So we can turn it off. Second one is turn off save and fill address under browser settings. Go to Chrome browser, tap 3 dot top right hand corner, tap settings, scroll it down. You may find address and more. Save and fill address. This include information such as phone numbers, email address and delivery address. So we don't need that one. We can turn it off. Third option to stop your Android from sharing your phone number is use permission manager to allow or deny contact access. So first thing need to do is go into settings, go to the search and type permission. Here under apps, choose permission manager. Now go to contacts. These are all the apps with the permission to access your contacts. You can choose which one you need it, otherwise you can deny it. See, like a Ginger keyboard, we don't need contact permission. You can don't allow. Don't turn off Viber or WhatsApp. You need contact permission to make a calls. See, like Adobe scans already don't allow. Whatever you disallow is showing in the bottom. So you can see which one you need. Say calendar, you can say don't allow if you don't want it. If you deny permission, this feature your device may no longer function. If it is come up, you can always turn on later. So these are all 3 settings. You may need to turn it off in order to stop your Android from sharing your phone number. This is actually save your number going to the wrong hand. Scammers, they try to make calls, or they can use your phone number to make unauthorized application authorizations. So always better to turn this off. If you need it, you can turn always back on. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for future video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.